Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox a material that is used in kitchen, and if your friends ask you to suggest the kind of material to use in kitchen, you can suggest. And even I'm not aware the quality of material, but let us unbox and let us see how that thing is. That is kitchen sink from brand Crocodile. This video is not sponsored by any of the company, so let us start the unboxing. So the outer cover is plastic, and we will just tear the plastic with this spoon. This is knife, and here we go. Yes, we have this, and let us open this. Yes, the cover is almost removed, and this one is a little bulky, so it will take some time to unbox. And here we have, so this one is, let us unbox this one. I will open the seal from side so that it should be covered, the frame should be covered in camera frame. Let us open this. And the second one, yes, let's open this. And here we have a carton. Okay, a box inside box. This is, I will show you this way, a box inside box, and I will try to just pick up this box from inside so that I think in camera frame, just I will bring you back to this box. I will try to open a box inside this. I tried taking out this box, but it was not possible easily. Okay, this is some paper just to save this material from scratch. And we have sink here that can be, you can pick up this sink this way. Yes. Let us remove this box. And here we have sink. Let us remove this protective thermocol, and we will have a complete look of this one. So inside this, the main, it is sink, and you have some stuff, this accessories that we have. Just I will take a look on that. let me open this. Open this, and here we have sink, the complete material, and we have one box with the accessories, and we have this coupling and the hose pipe, and that's all. So I'm finishing this video, but that's all. Thank you so much for your kind support and love.